Now next comes resource planning. That is, why do we need resource planning for the country? Okay, see, you can see there are many states, some are rich in the resources while others are not rich in that particular resource. Example, Jharkhand, it is rich in minerals, whereas Ladakh, it is rich in the cultural heritage and lack in the infrastructure facilities as well as water availability. Whereas Rajasthan, it has a large potential of producing solar energy and wind energy, but it lacks in the water resources. So because of this is the unequal distribution of the resources, so we need the resource planning to cope up with this unequal distribution of the resources, so that each and every individual should get, each and every state should get all the kinds of the resources. Next is for how we can do this, how we can do the resource planning. There's strategy of resource planning. There are things by which we can do the resource planning in our country. In this, first is identification of the resources. That is to identify to find out that where, at which place, what kind of resources are available, what is the quantity and what are its quality. Okay, are they quality wise good or they are of inferior of quality? So this identification we can do with the help of the mapping and the surveying. Mapping with the satellite images, that is at what particular place that resource is available. Surveying by going to that particular place and then do the survey of that area. In this, second comes your appropriate technology. Appropriate technology means that is we should have a proper technology by which we can change a unused resource into a usable form, and this we can do with the help of the skilled labor and with the help of the industry. In industry only, that is we change a unused in a raw material into a finished product. And appropriate technology we also suggest, I told you earlier also, that is in the schools or the colleges we study about the technology. With that technology we go to the identify area where the resources are available and we take out the resource. Last is matching the resource development plans with the overall development plans. This center circle is your resource development plans and outer circle other development plans, that is overall development plans. That is matching the resource development plans with the overall development plans of the country, with the even the national economic of the country also. That is matching the resource development plans with overall development of the country. That development can be in the agriculture sector, in the industrial sector, in the medical sector or any other sector of the country. Now we come to the conservation of resources. See, conservation of resources, it is very necessary because we are using the resources day by day indiscriminately, but we have to think about our future generations also. So it is necessary we have to conserve the resources, we have to keep them as a reserve for our next coming generations. As Gandhiji has said, there is enough for everybody's need and not for anybody's greed. He has said that we are having a lot of resources for each and every individual, but for anyone's greed, that is हम किसी के लालच के लिए हमारे पास resources नहीं है. We have the resources to satisfy our nation, people or each and every person of our nation, but to satisfy a single individual who is very greedy, we are not having the resources for that. Okay. Even the Gandhiji, he was in the against the mass production, but he was in the favor of production by the masses. Mass production means that is production done by the industries. See, as you all know, things that we are producing by the hands, that takes more time, but the things that are produced in the industries, they are produced more early also and on time and before time also. But Gandhiji was against the mass production by the industries because it is increasing the unemployment. When industries, more and more industries are there, then more unemployment will increase. But if the production by masses, it would be done by the people itself, if the hand made things should be there, then people will get more and more employment. So Gandhiji was against the mass production, but in the favor of the production by the masses.